आज हम चेरी एजिंग बनाएंगे. For that you need silk thread, 1 mm crochet hook and two types of bead. One is bigger one and another one is smaller one. I'm using the velvety type of textured bead. You can use the simple one. If you don't find this one, you can use the simple one also. Let's start. For making this, first we will make row 1 on the fabric. I made chain 3 single crochet on the fabric. For making this row, you can refer my video how to crochet on fabric. Second, what I did, I made this edging, starting edging. Then I made leaf and attach the beads. So start with me. First make chain 3 single crochet on the fabric. After that we are making the edging. This edging, it's very simple. You have to just make double crochet in chain 3 space. Double crochet, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then just go behind this double crochet you just made. Make one single crochet. That is called post single crochet. Post double crochet, or this one's post single crochet. Just do it again in next chain 3 space. One, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet behind the double crochet. I have attached the cherries after making like 10 double crochet and chain 4 like this. So you can just decide the gap between attaching two cherries. So I am making this much of distance. Now I have completed the edging. I am making chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you have to do after making chain 8, just turn your work like this, and we have to go backward and attach it with single crochet after second double crochet from the last one. I am attaching with the help of single crochet like this. Now make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to make leaf inside this chain 8 space. So just turn after making chain 3. Make 2 double crochet in this chain 8 space. If you want a smaller space, you can make chain 5, chain 6. I want the bigger one, so I made chain 8. Make 2 double crochet. For making leaf, what I did like chain 3, 2 double crochet and 2 triple crochet and chain 3 picot on the top of last triple crochet. So make 2 triple crochet. 1, 2. This is the second triple crochet. On the top of it, I am making chain 3 picot. 1, 2, 3. Just go inside this space and start making single crochet. I will make 7 to 8 single crochet around this last triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, After making 7 single crochet, just go again inside this chain 8 space and make the slip stitch like this. For making this type of strand, you have to make 8 single crochet chain. Make 8 chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull the last loop after making 8 chain and we will attach the bead. Go inside the bead, just drop them like this. Now you need the smaller one. After putting both the bead inside this thread, again go inside this bigger bead and just pull out this thread from the bigger bead like this. Now you attach the small and bigger bead. We'll make 7 to 8 single crochet around this chain 8. I'm making one more extra in this space. 9 chains. Now again go to the chain 8 space and make one single crochet here like this. For attaching the second cherry, just repeat the same process, like make chain 8, then attach the beads and make 8 to 9 single crochet around this chain 8. So again start making chain 8 and do the same thing. Now I have attached the second bead or second cherry. Now I am making the second leaf. So for making the second leaf, just where you have made the single crochet, start making chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And same you have to repeat the same thing for making this type of leaf. Just make 2 double crochet in chain 8 space. 1, 2. I made 2 double crochet after making chain 3. Now next make 2 triple crochet in this chain 8 space. I made second triple crochet. Now make chain 3 picot on the top of this last triple crochet. Just go inside this space of triple crochet, make single crochet. I am making 7 to 8 single crochet around this last triple crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more, 7. Again go inside this chain 8 space and make the slip stitch for securing this leaf like this. I have completed second leaf also. Now go to the chain 3 space, next chain 3 space, and start making same edging just by making double crochet and chain 4 single crochet. Double crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Post single crochet behind this double crochet. Just keep on repeating this. Double crochet, chain 4, single crochet behind the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, go behind this double crochet, make single crochet. We have completed this cherry and leaf. You can also make it with this pattern. Thank you.